I'm Dji from Drone-Works. This video is part one of a two-part series on the Rugo, a UAV and camera light from FoxFury. Part one will be an overview of the Rugo and how it pertains to UAVs. Part two will be a comparison video between the Rugo and the Lume Cubes. Let's go! The Rugo is a multi-purpose drone and camera light from FoxFury. It's a small, lightweight LED that can be used in all weather conditions, and it's waterproof to 10 feet. The Rugo comes with a carry bag, accessory attachment screws, AC adapter and charging cable, GoPro mounts, and tripod mounts. If you purchase a UAV kit, it comes complete with two Rugo lights, two sets of accessories, plus two UAV light mounts and an additional orange cap battery. The attachments can be mixed and matched to meet the current mission requirements. The attachments can easily be removed and attached by the two accessory attachment screws. The accessory attachment screws are low profile and may be a little difficult to remove and install. Some attachments are designed to mate with the alignment tab. Others are designed to fit over the battery release mechanism. Simply place the appropriate attachments in their proper place and secure them with two accessory attachment screws. By using the GoPro mount shown, you can stack multiple Rugo lights on top of one another as needed to create the lighting effect you need. The Rugo utilizes swappable batteries providing 1 to 6 hours of power, depending on the power level. The colored caps cover the power switch. To release the battery, press the battery release mechanism, hold the battery and light securely, remove the battery. Align the replacement battery using the guide pins on the battery. Press the battery and light together until the battery release mechanism locks into place. The yellow cap signifies the standard Rugo battery. The orange cap signifies the UAV strobe battery. This battery provides a strobe light function to be used as a collision avoidance light for UAV aircraft. Instead of a fixed lens, the Rugo utilizes a sliding tri-lens that can easily be set to meet specific mission requirements. The spot lens has a field of view of 18 degrees and has a useful range of up to 100 feet. The area lens has a field of view of 55 degrees and a useful range of up to 30 feet. The flood lens has a field of view of 120 degrees and a useful range of up to 10 feet. Here's a demonstration of the different lenses and how they project their light. Notice as the field of view increases, the light is not as concentrated. The Rugo has 4 brightness levels. As mentioned earlier, the colored caps designate the type of battery. The orange cap battery has a strobe function as its 4th setting. This would be useful as a collision avoidance light on a UAV. The Rugo is ideally suited for use on a UAV. With a total weight of 168 grams, that's only 5.92 ounces, this light will have minimal impact on the flight time of the aircraft. If you purchase the UAV kit, it comes with the appropriate mount for your aircraft. This is the Dji Phantom4 Pro Mount, which can also be used on the Phantom 4 Advanced. The mount is constructed of a very pliable and durable plastic. It secures in 3 points on the aircraft, providing a sturdy and stable mounting point for the Rugo. Attaching the Rugo to the UAV mount is easily accomplished by aligning the alignment tab on the light and mount, then using 2 accessory mounting screws to secure the light. The Rugo battery is easily swappable with the Rugo mounted on the aircraft. Press the battery release mechanism. Hold the battery and light securely. Remove the battery. Align the replacement battery using the guide pins on the battery. Press the battery and light together until the battery release mechanism locks into place. The easiest method of removing the UAV mount is to first detach the Rugo from the mount. The light can remain attached to the mount if that's preferred. The UAV mount is durable and flexible. It will require twisting and bending the mount to remove it. The Rugo UAV mount for the Phantom 4 series has 12 positions. The light can be rotated as required to meet the mission needs. Once the Rugo is installed, double check that the UAV mount is secure and the Rugo is secure to the mount. The aircraft is now ready to fly. The majority of UAV missions will require the light to be set at maximum brightness. In most cases, the 18° or 55° field of view lens will be the best choice. The 120° field of view lens is best for certain ground level use. Using the 55° field of view lens, it's easy to put the required light on a subject while still covering the surrounding area. Public safety personnel often respond to potentially hazardous situations. A UAV equipped with Rugo lights is a perfect tool for surveying a situation with unknown intent without putting personnel at unnecessary risk. Using the 55° field of view lens, the Rugo equipped UAV can see inside the vehicle to determine if a hazardous situation exists. If the vehicle has been outfitted with aftermarket tint, the Rugo equipped UAV will not be able to provide a useful video feed through the tint. While the Rugo equipped UAV can easily see through the front side windows, windshield, and rear hatch window, it cannot see inside the rear side windows due to factory tint. I'm very impressed with the FoxFury Rugo lights. They outperform my expectations. I think it's a great light for public safety use and more versatile both on and off the aircraft than other lights on the market. Coming soon will be part 2 of the Rugo light series. I'll be comparing the FoxFury Rugo and the Lume Cube. You won't want to miss it. If you haven't already done so, click the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss any upcoming videos. And please, click the like button too. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.